In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Webflow. Whether you're looking to add a bit of animation to your site or simply want to spice up a web page with a fun GIF, this guide is here to make it a breeze for you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Webflow's website. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, it's really good. It's free to sign up. Once you are there, simply click on the sign up button. You'll be prompted to create an account using either your email and a password or by signing in with your Google account. If you choose to go the email route, make sure to set a unique and secure password to protect your account. Once you've signed in, it's time to head over to the Webflow tutorials section. This is a great resource, especially if you're new to the platform. Next, locate the Add Elements button. You'll find it in the designer interface and it will allow you to add various elements to your web page. Once you've clicked it, select Image from the options provided. Next, click on Replace Image. If you already have the GIF you want to use saved on your computer, you can skip the next couple of steps, but if you don't yet have a GIF, let's find one. One of the most popular places to find GIFs is Giphy. It's a vast library of GIFs where you can select the perfect one for your project. After you've chosen your GIF, click on Download to save it to your computer. Be sure to remember where you've saved it. With that done, head back to Webflow. Locate your downloaded GIF file on your computer and simply drag and drop it into the Webflow timeline where you're making your edits. Once the GIF is added to your project, all that's left is to publish your site or page changes. Click on the Publish button within Webflow. This will bring up the option to publish to selected domains. Choose the domain where you want your changes to be visible and confirm your decision. And just like that, your GIF will be live on your site. Adding a GIF to your Webflow project is a simple, straightforward process if you follow these steps, and it can really add some excitement and personality to your web design. If you find yourself having any trouble or needing more guidance, be sure to explore Webflow's tutorial section for additional tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!